What is going on, everybody? My name is Mike. This is Wall Street Traders, where we break down hot trending stocks to put you at advantage on the market. What is going on, everybody? So the next ticker symbol that you guys asked me to break down was Apple, or AAPL. Like I said, if you guys want me to break down these stocks, put them in the comment box below. You guys gave me a super long list yesterday, but I'm getting through them. Other than that, like I said, before doing that, hit that like and subscribe button so I can build these content for you guys. So let's go ahead and dive in. So the lines and graphs I will explain here in a second. We're going to start from a daily time frame so we can see the overall direction and picture that our stock is in. We don't want to start from a smaller time frame because we'll basically be trading in a vacuum or ultimately trading blind. So we're down about 0.43, almost 1% for the day. The market's been open about 2 hours, you guys. So let's go ahead and dive into the graphs that we're currently in right now. So let me zoom out so I can see exactly where I have everything. Okay. All right. So this top line, you guys, represented our major resistance line. That's the highest level that's been tested. And we can look left. We have these candlesticks. These three over here, this one over here, either bouncing or reacting in this area. We look left and we have this last candlestick over here. Ultimately, it got rejected and pulled back down to our major lowest level that's been tested is our support. We can test this also. We look left, or right here, we have these three candlesticks either reacting or bouncing off this level. We have these candlesticks in this area, and then we have about two over here and one on the opposite side, not quite touching, but in the same vicinity. And this red line over here represented that we were in a clear downtrend before, but no longer, because we came up, created a lower low, came back up, hit our minor resistance. So this middle line over here was our minor resistance. We ultimately broke above that. So now what we're looking for, you guys, we're kind of overextended. Even if you look at the RSI, you guys, we are overextended. We are on the what is this, the MACD? Yeah. Okay, so what we're going to look for, you guys, because we look left, we have all this minor resistance over here too, and we're kind of overextended in this area. What we're going to look for is just to come back down and pull back a 50% retracement onto our minor support level, and that would be a good buy opportunity to get in. And then obviously your first target would be back up here where we have this minor resistance at. If you're a core trader, if you were to get back down here, your first target would be back up at the previous highest point at the 138 level, guys. So what we're looking for is for this to come back down, retest this 128, 127 level, you guys. Have your stop loss below that. Have your stop loss, give it some room just in case you have a candlestick wick peekaboo below this level. So maybe have it in the 124 or 125 level. So to protect your account, like for every stock that you are interested in getting in, make sure you have a trading plan, that being a entry, stop loss, and target. So like I said, that'd be the best opportunity. The safest entry would be to get into that level. If you're an aggressive trader, such as a day trader or a swing trader, you still could get in right now. Have your stop loss, a tight stop loss below this, maybe the 132 or 131 level, and then your first target would be back up here at this resistance at the 138. And then from there, once you get out, we can wait for a further analysis on where we're headed next. More than likely we'll ride against this resistance, trying to break out, create a breakout above this major resistance, and then obviously your first target after that would be back up here at the 144. But as of right now, like I said, it does look like we are overextended. You can look at the RSI. Let's look at the volume real quick. We're at 31 million. It's not bad. It's pretty good. Any stock, like I said, you want to check the volume. Make sure it's at least above 150,000. Anything below that, you don't want to really get into, because it would be such a slow moving stock. You'd be kind of stuck in it. But so overall, the volume looks good, you guys. Don't have FOMO. I'm going to say it over and over again. The fear of missing out will cause you a lot of pain. So you can either be the safer entry and get back down here at this level, or you can be the aggressive trader and have your stop loss below this level, and your first target be back up here. So I hope this helped and made sense to you guys. If you guys like my videos, of course, hit that like and subscribe button. Make sure to put your stock below that you want me to break down, and I'll add it to the list for tomorrow morning. And happy trading and have a beautiful day, guys. I hope